I love peaches, and it's been a dream of mine to pick my own peaches in my own backyard. Finally, I'm getting some fruit on my new peach trees, so let's go pick some. These ones are only a few years old, and I had one here that I had to remove. It was 10 years old, never gave me fruit. I know I'm learning, but that's ridiculous. But these are laden with fruit, and the branch is gonna break if I don't get the fruit off. So come along, let's go look. This section is the new extended section, and here is the gate, and the peach tree that I'm talking about is right there. See that branch? It's gonna break. We gotta get in there and get some fruit. Okay, we had monsoon type rain come down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if this heavy branch got broken, and I'm gonna pick all, me or the kids or whoever, we're gonna pick quite a bit of this. It's not quite ready, but whatever, oh, that feels good. The bugs won't leave it alone, the birds won't leave it alone. They're kind of small this year. Does everyone's peaches small? See, look how bad it's cracking and lots of borers. Ugh. I have to collect all the fruit from here, from this entire section. I did take one already, and they're delicious. None of the kids will come down and help me, but I don't want it to break. So here we go. So we have some birds and bugs trying to eat them, which is a good indication that they're done. When you start having the animals tell you they're done. Very small. I've heard a lot of people in Utah, unless they're market growers, have really small fruit. I tried to thin. You know, it is hard to thin because you're like, I don't want to thin, but you need to remember at this stage, ooh, that one was soft. You need to remember at this stage, if you didn't thin, you're not gonna have some very big fruit. That's a good size one. This is exciting. This is a dream of mine, to pick my own peaches in my backyard. And yes, I need to learn more about fruit trees, but you won't learn unless you actually plant them. This is exciting. It's really good. Like I said, it's kind of small-ish, so I need to do better at thinning. Isn't that the rule? But also they were a lot smaller in Utah because of our crazy ups and downs. I'm standing between peach heaven, peach lane. I love it. That tree's a little smaller. So exciting. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Got my own peaches. Yay! I love peaches, and it's been a dream of mine to pick my own peaches in my own backyard. Finally I figured it out, and I still have lots to learn about fruit trees. So if you have any comments about how I can do my fruit trees even better, leave them, because I'm learning. Oh, see you later. Bye.